Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing perfectly well. Today I'm sharing with you one of my family favorites, my spaghetti bolognese recipe. It's quick and easy but super delicious. It may go for a rich and satisfied weekend dinner, guys. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe. I have here in the spaghetti right in here. I have 400 grams of minced beef. Here I have puree tomato, vegetable oil. I have cheese, seasoning cube, black pepper, curry, salt, diced onion, diced garlic. I have thyme, and right in there I have a basil leaf. These are the ingredients I will be needing for this recipe, guys. In this pot, I have boiled water right in here. It's boiled already, and I just have to put the spaghetti. I just have to put the spaghetti inside the boiled water. Okay, I will allow it to get cook for some few minutes. I will be leaving it inside for some few minutes. 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Just allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Just keep stirring it in order not to allow the spaghetti. When we add this salt, just add salt to it for cook. Guys, the spaghetti is cooked already. Now we're going to drain the water from the spaghetti. Just drill it off right here. Okay, I have a dried pot right in here, which I will be needing for using. So I have to add the vegetable oil, allow it to hot. And after you'll be adding the onion and the garlic. Onion and garlic right inside. Just allow it to cook. Okay, now guys, we'll be adding the beef right in here. Okay, and after we add some basil leaf, thyme, add some thyme to it, mix, allow it to cook for some few minutes. We add the pure tomato right here. Okay, let's go with adding some seasoning it. We're seasoning it. Just add the pure tomato. Okay, mix it together. So we can be allowing this tomato to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, guys, just allow the tomatoes to cook along with the meat. I will cover it up and allow it to cook. Okay guys, you just have to open it this way. As you can see, the tomatoes, the sauce is very cooked right now. You can see I didn't add any water to it. Now we have to add the spaghetti. Add the spaghetti, and after you mix it just mix it with the spaghetti. Just continue to mix it. Make sure the sauce blend with the spaghetti. If the spaghetti, if the pasta is not cooked enough to your taste, you can add some water. You can add some water to cook. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it. Right now, I will be adding some water. You can see it's cooked. Very, very yummy, guys. This is very, very yummy. So delicious. You can see that. This is how to cook spaghetti bolognese. This is how to cook spaghetti bolognese, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. You can see I've done preparing it. Thank you very much. If you like this recipe, then give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for taking the time to look my video. God bless you so much. Bye bye.